Hey guys, Coach Bombs here, the warm-up queen. I want to show you how to foam roll and why it's good for you. So this is a soft, more cushiony foam roll. This one is going to be a little bit more firm, and it's like a pool noodle material, except it's a little bit thicker. So when it comes to stretching a muscle, and we know what static stretching does, it relaxes the muscles, right? But if you foam roll them, you're basically accelerating the stretching process. So I'm going to walk you through the things that you can do to foam roll if you don't have time to stretch, or if you just need an additional deep stretch, or whatever the case may be. Everybody can benefit from foam rolling. So the most popular part of the body that we usually do is the quads, your thighs. But if you work a day job or a desk job, you may have tight hip flexors, which is what a lot of people have. This is why when you go to do a lunge, it hurts so bad to go down. One, because this shit is weak and or tight. So this is what I have my clients do. If you're going to foam roll the right side or the right leg, put the long side out to the right side and save just a little bit of room. You're going to lay flat on the foam roller. I'm going to start with it right up here, especially if this is what is tight or this is what is sore. So I'm going to lay down on that. You can't see, but my left leg over here is at like a, here, I'll do it this way. And as you roll, you're going to do it slow and controlled, moving about 1 inch per second over the muscle fibers. So start at the top of your quad muscle, and you're going to run all the way down to the knee. Especially if you have knee pain or you feel tightness in your knees, this is going to help release it. Okay? All right. So that's how you foam roll your quads and your hip flexors. Let's say your hamstrings or your glutes are sore from your glute day. Well, start off on the foam roller like this. And if you're going to do, it's a lot easier to do both legs at a time. If you do one at a time, you'll see. So I'm just going to start by doing the same thing I did for my quads, rolling at the speed of 1 inch per second. Pay attention to if it starts to feel like there's a knot or it's very tender. I want you to hold it on that knot or tender spot and hold while breathing. It's very important to breathe while you foam roll and while you stretch, because get this, your body's connected. So your nervous system, your brain, and your muscles, they talk to each other. And if you're sitting here trying to stretch or foam roll and you're out of breath and you're talking a whole lot, it sends signals to your body that you are still stressed, and it has every right to, it makes sense to have your muscles clenched. But if you want your muscles to relax, which is the point of stretching and the point of foam rolling, you need to take your time and you need to breathe. And if you're trying to lose weight, guess what? The way fat leaves your body during weight loss is through breath. I don't have time to explain that one, but that's science. Okay. If you're doing one leg at a time, you're going to start with one cheek on there and roll. Again, we're moving 1 inch per second across those muscle fibers. And right here, I can feel some tenderness, so I'm going to hold it right here. Okay. Another place you might foam roll is your lower back. So make sure if your hair is down that day, that it's not running down your back, because you will foam roll your back. Okay. Again, 1 inch per second. And when you find tenderness, go ahead and hold. There you go. All right. And that's how you use a foam roller.